cold up here. We went from 80 to 68. Alright guys, I found a much more open space just off to the side a little bit here by one of the old mines. Still in Jerome. The sun's going down, we're running out of time. I think I'm just nervous, so let's do it. Okay. Crap, I gotta fix the screws in the controller again. Loosening the screws. Okay, the sticks are good. Controller on. Drone on. Headset on. And then I dropped that right into my pocket. Here we go. First manual flight. I'm so scared. Ooh, I'm gonna put it right there. I don't normally take off for gravel, that's for you guys. That's how long it took me to need to hit pause. I gotta land and start over. I don't even know how to get back into manual mode. That was very scary. It was flying away on its own. Alright, attempt number 2. Don't look away. Okay. Whoa. Okay. This is so different. The weirdest thing to me is the left stick. The way it no longer strafes and the way it twists, that's so trippy. This is gonna definitely take some getting used to. I'm holding the controller regular style because I don't think I'm ready for, I at least need to try like diving. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. So, wow, it's just free falling. It's still kind of going. Alright, that's different. Oh, see, I'm so bad at turning, I don't even know. I have to use different, just really have to change your thinking. Oh, it definitely is way faster. Look at that, I'm going 80. 83. That's important. That's about my talent level with FPV. You have to watch Mr. Steele to see all the tricks. So let's see, will this just go upside down? No, see I still need to go in and change some settings to be able to go upside down, but I can free fall like that. And that's pretty fun. So those are, look at that, that's probably waste pits. Sorry for the jerky movement, this is my first time. This isn't really doing a lot for my skill though. I definitely see how different this is. The next thing I'm wondering is, can you just switch into sport mode? So let's see what happens. Oh yeah, okay. The stick gets really confused, but it does work. Let's see, and then back to manual mode. Yeah, okay. So it's pretty easy to switch back and forth, because there's no way I'm landing in manual mode. No way. Let's see if I can even get this thing down visually. Okay. Wow. Oh, I need to quit looking away. Ready to hit that pause button, boy. Oh, I'm pausing it. I'm pausing it. I can't tell. What a trip that is. I think to get the full experience though, I gotta do like the roll settings and all that stuff. So I'm just trying to fly as if it were centered in the middle, and it works. It's just kind of tough. Alright, can't see any stats without these bad boys on. That would hurt so freaking bad if that got your fingers. Like the Mavic would hurt, but this one, don't let this one ever get you in the fingies. Wow, that is how fast the sun is going down, guys. I gotta brighten this party back up. There we go. There we go, still daytime. What's up? Thank you guys so much for flying with me. My advice is get a lot of practice, be ready to hit the pause button, probably go to a grassy field because that's terrifying. Also, you're gonna have to do some more pitch, yaw, roll settings if you really want to be able to go upside down. As you saw me kind of hit some limits there, which is probably a good starting point. I've been flying this drone for 2 months. To all the people that say if you get it, you're gonna crash it, like, let's be honest, not if you stay in sport mode. Sport mode is pretty badass on this thing, super easy to fly. FPV is another whole thing, and this is a great way to tiptoe into it. I got my first taste of it today. Thank you guys for coming with me. Now I'm gonna go down that terrifying, dark, twisty, windy road once again, but in the dark. So cool. Peace. Oh yeah, like and subscribe. You know, gotta say it. Peace.